Friends, daily by daily I make video, and so if today I am going on making video. Friends, today my topic will be about 10 years ago was my teacher. Yeah. Yesterday, 2 days past, my teacher sent me one message. My teacher sent me one message. When I saw that message, I was very happy. So because 10 years after, my teacher sent me one message that you don't lose the craze. That message was right. That message was right. Don't lose the craze. Yeah. You have to go far ahead. You have to go far ahead. Those who said that your courage is not there, you have to saw them. Yeah. So I am very happy because my teacher little support me. Yeah. Today I am talking only about my teacher. 10 years ago, that was my teacher. He used to teach me. That time, my teacher was English very good. Yeah, I know very well him. I know him. Another person can't know. Yeah. So when my teacher sent me this message, I'm very happy, and this time I don't want I don't want money. That's another person will give me. Only I want you support me. That what you are doing, you continue keep. You continue. You don't leave this. Yeah. This time I agree that my English is not good. Yeah. My English is not good. What kind of we should speak fluently, we don't know. But I'm learning, I'm hardworking. That I follow net. The net help me. Yeah. So until now, the more day I am doing hard working, about 2 years, 3 years will be, but any people did not say that you continue. What you are doing, you continue. Another person is saying me, what you are doing, what you are thinking, you can't reach there. What is your ambition? This is your big ambition. You can't reach there. My teacher, I am saying you teacher, I respect you. I am very respect you, that till now I respect, till now I agree, you are my prospector. Yeah, you are my teacher. I did not forget. I did not forget till now. Any student have forgotten, but I did not forget, because once upon time was that you were my teacher. You were my teacher, because what is clear that is steady. What is clear that is steady, I know. So please, as far as you have power, you support me. I will not demand you that I want money, but only I want become professor. Yeah, whatever will come difficult, I will tolerate. But that is my ambition. But unless I will not complete that, I will not leave. So, my prospector, my teacher, only I want to request you, only please you support me. Only you support me in like this message you send me, that whatever you're doing, what do you have your ambition, you can complete, but you continue keep like this. One boy told me, I used to speak him that I want to teach in the market. I want to teach any student in the market, but that boy told me, no, it is impossible. It is impossible. You can't do this, because you live in the village. You live in the village. For this, you will have to any high level city and a high level college, you have to read. But in this time, in that time, in 10 years ago, 15 years ago, that time was not any net. But this time, my net helped me. Yeah. In the more this time I have spoken, my teacher, I know also in any translate happened mistake, I know also. But please, what will I do in like this? Any professor told me, because when I watch any video, any professor video, that time he speak, daily by daily you have to practice. Whatever you are getting mistake, no problem, let it mistake. Yeah, let it mistake, but you do not mind, and what you are doing you continue do. So my teacher, in this time, when in this message you sended me, in I would say you again by again, thanks. Only little you supposed me, only. I want never demand you that I want money. Only I should only suppose me. Yeah, that any vocabulary is not good. My vocabulary is not good, but I am trying that for learning. So, in the more I spoken in this speech was my teacher, about my teacher, that I was very happy that time you sent that message, that don't lose the courage. You have to go far ahead. Those people told you that it is impossible, you can't do this. that. So I want prove him. I want prove him in one things. I give you example, my teacher. One thing I give you example. The more you are looking at any scientist, yeah, I give you example. You suppose in Thomas Edison, yeah, which he given me, he given us any light, any bulb, but 10,000 times he failed. 10,000 times he failed, but he did not lose that I will make. One day he did not make. He made one day. He made one day. Yeah. Any translation mistake, so for that we want to apologize. Please forgive me for that. Friends, in this is mobile, long video will not be uploaded, so I can't make a long video. So please, any translate is happen mistake, for that we want apologize. Please forgive me.